Hello students, this is the third part of concept of compound angles. In 1 and 2 part I derived some formulae, sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, or I can say plus or minus. So what is this Nana? Sin a cos b plus or minus cos a sin b. Here plus means here also plus, here minus means here minus. Cos of a plus or minus b, cos a cos b minus or plus sin a sin b. What is the meaning of that? Here plus means here minus means here plus. After that I derived some more results. One of them is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. And sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is derived as 2 cos a sin b. After that, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is derived as 2 cos a cos b. So, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is derived as minus 2 sin a sin b. Okay, after that, two more important results, that is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Generally it is known as sin square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus cos square a. Another one is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is derived as cos square a minus sin square b. Okay. So these are the important results for us. What happened? Trigonometrical ratios for the angle a plus b and a minus b. The two sine and cos completed. What about tan, cot and secant, cosec? Okay. So today I am going to explain compound angles for tan function and cot function, that too a plus or minus b angle. Okay. So here result, next result students, if none of a comma b and a plus b are odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a plus b is given by tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b, students. So tan a, sin a, cos a, tan a given. When this is valid, sin a is valid for all angles, means a is any real number. Cos a also defined for all real numbers, means here a is also a real number. But tan a is defined for only for a few a's, not for all a's. What I can say, a belongs to r is wrong concept. So what do you say? A angle should be belongs to all real numbers, and for the real numbers we want to remove some real numbers which are in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Why you want to subtract? I already explained in the chapter 1. Okay. So what happened? Tan function is defined for the angles which are in this form, means all real numbers except the angles in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z, means 2n plus 1 odd number, odd multiple of pi by 2. So a should not be odd multiple of pi by 2, means tan pi by 2 not defined, undefined, tan 3 pi by 2 undefined, like that. Odd multiple of pi by 2 angles, tan is not defined. Why it is not defined? I clearly explained in the part 1. Okay. So here tan a should define, means a should not be in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Tan b should define, means b should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Tan of a plus b also define, means a plus b should not be in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That is given clearly here. Observe Nana, clearly given here. So a, b and a plus b are not odd multiple of pi by 2. Then this formula is valid. Okay. Now I want to derive this formula, students. Listen, Nana. What I want, I will write here. I want to use another color. Tan of a plus b I want first of all, which is same as sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b, which is same as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, so this is actually tan of a plus b, but RHS should be in terms of tans only. I don't want sines and causes. I want to convert RHS part in terms of tan and tan a and tan b. That's why numerator and denominator divided by cos a and cos b. Numerator and denominator is divided by cos a into cos b. So, cos a into cos b. Provided cos a not equal to 0, cos b not equal to 0, and cos a and cos not equal to 0. Because you can't divide with 0, no? So, we are dividing something with that should not be 0. So, what I am dividing numerator denominator by cos a into cos b means cos a and cos b not equal to 0, cos a not equal to 0, cos b not equal to 0. Already cos 90 0, you know that, no? Here already a and b and a plus b are not 90 degrees, means cos a and cos b never 0, no? Product also never 0. Okay. So, what happened to that I will write here. Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Okay, this should be divided by cos a cos b. Cos a into cos b. This is numerator. Now I want to write denominator with another division symbol. Students listen. Yeah, now I want to write denominator. What is that? Cos a cos b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b should divided by cos a cos b. Okay. Students, a plus b by c means you can write that is a by c plus b by c, or a minus b by c means you can write a by c minus b by c. Now I want to split it in next page. Students listen. Sin a cos b by cos a cos b plus cos a sin b by cos a cos b. This is numerator. I will show you, students. Just this by this plus this by this. Okay, now denominator should write cos a cos b by cos a cos b. I will show you now. Here cos a cos b by cos a cos minus sin a sin b by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b by cos a cos b. Now simplification, students, is equal to actually this one. Here cos b can cancel provided cos b not equal to 0 already. Cos a can cancel because cos a not equal to 0. Should take 0 by 0 is undetermined form. You can't say that 0 is cancelled, 1 is not correct. Division with 0 is not defined. So, but what I am doing here, I am cancelling cos b. What condition I can cancel? So, cos b not equal to 0, then only can cancel. So, already clearly mentioned the problem a comma b are not odd multiple of pi by 2 means cos a and cos b never 0. That's why I can cancel. So, here this and this and this cancel. Okay. So, what we will get, I will write, students. is equal to sin A by cos A tan A plus sin B by cos B tan B, okay, divided by, yeah, this is 1 minus sin by cos A tan A into tan B. Now we got the formula. Now I will write it last. What I got? Tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula for tan of A plus B, provided A comma B and A plus B not an odd multiple of 90. Should remember this. Okay. Yeah, I hope you people understood. For example, 2x by x equal to dash. Most of the students, what will they say? 2x by x equal to 2. Why? X cancelled. But I can't say 2 directly. 2 only when x is not equal to 0. Under that condition I can cancel. With the condition x is not equal to 0. Then only I can cancel x and x. Understood? So, next note students, tan of A minus B formula I want now. Just now I derived tan of A plus B formula. Now I want tan of A minus B. Now I can write this one as tan of A plus of minus B I can write. So in this formula, instead of B I can write minus B nana. Just like tan of A plus B now. Tan A as it is plus tan B. Tan B means minus B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan B means instead of B I can write minus. So what happened? I will write, wait nana, 1 minute, something is equal to is not in the correct position, equal to tan A as it is, tan of minus beta. Already you know tan of minus theta minus tan theta only secant of minus theta plus theta, cos of minus theta plus cos theta, remaining all trigonometrical ratios gives that minus is as output. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, like that. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. That minus I will write here, minus tan B I can write by 1 tan A as it is here students, tan A as it is, tan of minus B minus tan B, that minus with this minus you will get here plus tan B. So this is the formula of tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B. Okay. Yeah, tan of A minus B formula also completed for us. Tan of A plus B completed, tan of A minus B completed. But I want to write a test. By using both, I want to write in one step tan of, 1 minute nana. See students here, tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan of A minus B, here plus means here you are getting here plus, here you are getting minus. Here minus means what you are getting here minus, here plus. That's why what I can write now students, listen here. I want to use another color for that. Tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So how can you write tan of A plus or minus B equal to tan A plus or minus tan B by 1 plus or minus tan A into tan B. Okay, I hope you people understood. This is the formula of tan of A plus B as well as tan of A minus B, provided A comma B and A plus B not an odd multiple of 90. Okay. Yeah. Next result, important result. If none of A, B and A plus B are integral multiple of pi, then prove that cot of A plus B equal to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. How to remember this formula? Cot of A plus B remembered as cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B first nana plus cot A. Here no need to write cot B now. A into B or B into A both are same. A plus B and B plus A are same, but should write cot B first. So why the conditions are given? A and B, A plus B are not integral multiple of pi means if angle is pi, sin pi won't define. Okay, sin pi becomes 0. Okay, so why they gave reasons I will explain later why the conditions are given. Okay, for that conditions only cot define, no? Cot pi actually not defined. Cot pi means what? Cos pi by sin pi only. Cos pi means minus 1, sin pi means 0, minus 1 by 0 not defined. What is the meaning of that? Cot pi is not defined. Cot 2 pi won't define. That's why A comma B comma A plus B are not an integral multiple of pi. Then only cot function will define. Understood? Yeah. So cot of A plus B I want. This can be written as cos of A plus B by sin of A plus B. Okay. So what I can write an is equal here I want to write cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by sin of A plus B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. To get all in terms of cots, what I am doing, numerator and denominator is divided by sin A into sin B. That I will write here now. Numerator and denominator is divided by sin A into sin B. Okay. Here sin A and sin B never 0, product also never 0 because A and B are not integral multiple of pi nana. Okay. So is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. This numerator should be divided by what? Sin A into sin B. Sin A into sin B. Numerator completed. Now I want a denominator. This is the division for denominator. Wait, no, this is not good color. Okay, this is denominator. Okay, numerator completed. Now denominator. Yeah, what is that? Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B should be divided by sin A into sin B. Sin A into sin B. The same result, A minus B by C means A by C minus B by C. So next page I will write that. Cos A cos B by sin A sin B minus sin A sin B by sin A sin B. Yeah, numerator completed. Divided by denominator now. Sin A cos B, sin A cos B by cos A cos B. Sin A sin B, no? Sin A sin B plus cos A sin B by sin A sin B is equal to. So this is numerator, this is denominator. Some cancellation, students, here. So sin this. So what I will get, I will write none here. Cos A by sin, cot A into cot B, cot A into cot B minus 1 by, this is cot B nana plus cot A. So this is the formula for cot of A plus B. Should remember. So the chapter trigonometry is fully depend upon formulae. So without formulae, we can't solve the problems in this chapter. So the chapter is memory based chapter nana. Should remember all these results. So what I got? Cot of A plus B. Next, note students, I want cot of A minus B now. Note, cot of A minus B I want. Cot of A minus B can be written as cot of A plus of minus B. Sorry, plus of minus B I can write. Just like cos of alpha plus beta, cos alpha cos beta minus 1 by cos beta plus alpha. Cot A into cot B minus B minus 1 by, using this formula, cot B, beta means that is minus B. Okay, plus cot A. So what we will get, I will write here, cot of minus beta minus cot beta minus cot A into cot B minus 1 by minus cot B plus cot A. In numerator I want to take minus common. So what we will get nana? Cot A cot B plus 1. In denominator I want to take 1 minus common. So what we will get? Cot B minus cot A. This minus get cancelled. So this is cot of A minus B. Next page I will write again. What I got, I will write cot of A minus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by, not cot A minus cot B students, cot B minus cot, should take care of that, cot B minus cot A. So this is the formula for cot of A minus. Okay. So final note, cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Observe, here plus means you are getting minus, you are getting plus. For example, here minus means here we will get plus, first plus, here we get minus. Sorry, that is not right, down should write. Okay. Okay, here also I think should write in the down. Cot A cot B plus correct only, here plus correct. What I should write here, minus should write. Okay. So this is combined formula for cot of A plus B and cot of A minus. Yeah, students, important note here given. Just observe what is that. The formula for tan of A plus B in terms of tan A tan B is valid if and only if tan A comma tan B are different defined and tan A into tan B not equal to minus 1. I will show you why the condition is given. Where is the formula? Yeah, this should define me 1 minus tan A into tan B. Where is that in first formula? No? Okay. So this 1 minus tan A into tan B should not be equal to 0. Any fraction A by B given, when fraction is defined, your denominator not equal to 0, then only fraction will define. So in this formula, denominator is 1 minus tan A into tan B. If 1 minus tan A into tan B equals 0, then tan of A plus won't define. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? 1 should not be equal to tan A into tan B. That is the condition. Tan A into tan B not equal to 1, then only tan of A plus formula is valid. Clearly given here that note. The formula for tan of a plus b in terms of tan theta will be valid if only if tan a and tan b should define and tan a into tan b not equal to 0. Same condition for cot of a plus b also. Yeah, students, here are some results. Already we did none. So this result already completed. This result also already completed. Sin 15. How I derived sin 45 minus 30 degree. So what I got? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 and cos 75 both are same, nana. Everyone knows sin 15 equal to cos 75. I will show you. Sin 15 degree equal to sin of 90 minus 75, can write. Sin of 90 minus theta cos theta only, cos 75. That's why sin 15 value and cos 75 value both are same. Similarly, students, cos 15 and sin 75 same. Cos 15 derived as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. You people should remember. Now I want to derive tan 15 value. No. Tan 15 value. Tan 15 degree value remembered as degree na that one 2 minus root 3. That t is equal to cot 75. So tan 45 degree minus 30 I can write according to the formula tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A into tan B means tan 30. So which is same as 1 minus tan 30 means 1 by root 3, students, by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So root 3 taken LCM here, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. This root 3 get cancelled. So what I got I will write clearly here, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is the tan 15 value. But in generally the value of fractions, in value of fractions in mathematics, denominator is taken as a rational number. Here denominator and numerator both are irrational numbers. I want to make denominator as a rational number. Okay, I will do that in next page. So what I got I will write first of all tan 15 degree, what I got root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But I don't want irrational number denominator. Rationalizing denominator, rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1 only, divided multiplied. Numerator is root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Numerator is a minus b, a square means root 3 whole square plus b square means 1 square minus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into 1 by root 3 square means 3 minus 1, which is same as 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2, which is same as 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, what I got, I will write, students, here tan 15 degree equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. I can take 2 common in numerator, 2 minus root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. Finally, what I got, I will write here tan 15 degree value should be remembered as 2 minus root 3. This is also one of the standard angle. Okay, tan 15 and cot 75 both are same, so that's why this is also equal to cot 75 degree only. Cot 15 is 2 plus root 3. You people can derive in similar way, but you should remember now cot 15 degree value as 2 plus root 3.